Hey guys, geeking to everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about my 1 month Python course, day number 13. So let's start. Okay, first of all, let's check my plan. And here we go, day number 13. The topic is regular expressions, pattern matching and text manipulation using regular expressions. So let's copy this topic. And what I'm going to do now is asking ChatGPT bot to provide detailed information with examples for this topic. Okay. Okay, here we go. Press enter. So we are waiting for reply. Okay, here we go. And let's zoom in. Okay. I'm zooming. Okay, here we go. Day number 13, regular expressions, pattern matching, and text manipulation. Overview. Regular expressions are powerful tools for pattern matching and text manipulation. They allows you to define patterns and search for matching within strings. In this lesson, we will explore the basic of regular expressions, including pattern, syntax, and common use cases. Introduction to regular expressions. Regular expressions are sequences of character that defines a search pattern. Okay, that's really important to understand this definition. Okay, they are widely used in programming languages, text editors, and command line tools to perform tasks such as pattern matching, data validation, and text manipulation. Pattern syntax. Regular expressions consist of normal characters and special characters that define the pattern. Here are some commonly used special characters. Okay, first one is a dot. Matches any single character except a new line. Asterisk. I highlight the text. Matches 0 or more occurrences of the preceding character or group. Plus sign. Matches one or more occurrences of the preceding character or group. Question mark. Matches 0 or 1 occurrence of the preceding character or group. Square brackets. Define a character class and match any single character within the bracket. Caret. Placed at the beginning of character class negates it. Matching any character not listed. Pipe. Specifies alternatives, matching either the expression before or after it. Basic pattern matching examples. Let's look at some basic example of pattern matching using regular expression. So example number 1, match a specific word in the string. So the pattern is apple and the string. I have an apple and banana. Match apple. Example number 2, match a digit. Pattern \d. String I'm 25 years old. Match 2 and 5. Example number 3. Match a repeated character. Pattern. This pattern, I highlight the text. String hello and match. So it's a double L. Okay. Next one. Text manipulation with regular expressions. Regular expressions can be used for various text manipulation tasks, such as finding and replacing text or extracting specific portion of a string. Example, replace all occurrences of a word. Pattern apple, replacement orange, string I have an apple and I love apples. Result, I have an orange and I love oranges. Example, next one, extract email's address from a string. The pattern, I highlight the text, and the string contact us at info@example.com or support@example.org. Result, info@example.com and support@example.org. Okay. Example number 6, split a string into words. Pattern, I highlight the text, string, the quick brown fox. Result, it's a list of all these words. Common use cases. Regular expressions find applications in various domains, such as from validation, checking if input matches a specific pattern. Example, validating email address or phone numbers. Data extraction, extracting specific information from unstructured text, example, parsing log files or extracting URLs. Text search and manipulation, finding and replacing text, splitting strings, or removing unwanted characters. Web scraping, extracting data from websites by matching patterns in the HTML code. Remember that regular expressions can be complex and mastering them takes practice. There are many online resources and tools available to help you learn and experiment with the regular expressions such as regex101.com or regexr.com. Regular expressions are a powerful tool to have in your programming arsenal. They can save you time and effort by providing efficient way to search, validate, and manipulate text based on a defined patterns. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. So see you on the next video. Ciao, ciao.